Today, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office for free. And yes, it's completely legit. Whether you need Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other Office app, I've got you covered. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First up, let's talk about Office Online. Microsoft offers free web-based versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps. All you need is a Microsoft account. Open your web browser and go to office.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once signed in, you can start using the online versions of the Office apps. They might not have all the features of the desktop versions, but they are more than sufficient for most tasks. If you're a student or educator, you might be eligible for free access to Microsoft Office 365 Education. Go to the Microsoft Office Education page at education.microsoft.com. Enter your school email address to check eligibility. If your school is eligible, you'll get free access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and even Microsoft Teams. Another option is to take advantage of Microsoft's free trial for Office 365. This gives you full access to all Office applications for 1 month. Go to the Office 365 free trial page. Sign up with your Microsoft account. Download and install the Office applications. Just remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. If none of these options work for you, consider using LibreOffice. It's a free and open-source Office suite that's compatible with most Microsoft Office file formats. Go to the LibreOffice website at libreoffice.org. Download and install the suite. Enjoy using the apps that are very similar to Microsoft Office without any cost. And there you have it. Multiple ways to access Microsoft Office for free, all completely legitimate. Whether you choose Office Online, take advantage of educational offers, use the free trial, or explore mobile apps and alternatives like LibreOffice, you've got plenty of options. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments which method worked best for you, or if you have any other tips for getting Office for free. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.